Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from HEADSTAMP Publishing. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items that's currently growing. Again, HEADSTAMP Publishing. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open. Okay, so what we have here is kind of a flap system box. You can see here the internal additional packaging and this item itself and nothing else. So let's go ahead and get this out of the way. And you can see this is the standard edition of Small Arms of World War II Soviet Union. So here on the front cover, we can see here it's shrink wrapped, standard, title, very reflective, as well as metallic. Doesn't feel embossed, so these feel actually that they've been printed onto the cover itself. On the binding, we can see the HEADSTAMP Publishing logo, title, a little bit more metallic highlighting. Our contributing authors, McCOLLUM and RUPLEY, and a plain back cover. Since I do intend to read this, I've gone ahead and opened it. So there's no dust cover on these editions of the series. And let's see, inside here we can see a map and a different set of maps on the other inner cover pages. Title page, stock photos, author Ian McCOLLUM, photographed by James Rupley. And here's our copyright information from 2024 and a little bit more information there about the book. So there's going to be a lot of detailed photography of various items, accompanying text, as you can see, and photographs from historical points in the timeline. But you can see here very large photos of various items, and this book just recently came out in the 2024 time frame. And look at our authors as well as the preface right there. So just taking a very quick look at Small Arms of World War II of the Soviet Union from HEADSTAMP Publishing. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage, milsurp tools, and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.